How can you master presentation skills in 30 days? Don't forget to like, and if you're new here, subscribe. And by the way, these 30 days, this program that I've put together for you will really level you up in the areas of presentation, but you gotta follow it. Number one, you want to present like it's game day every single day. So the main thing of this program, the next 30 days basically, that I recommend you do is that you deliver a minimum of 2 to 3 presentations every single week. Now I know you might be thinking, what, Ben? Right now I deliver 0, maybe 1 per year. If you're lucky, 1 a month, right? Right now, from this moment forward, 2 or 3 or more every single week. So where can you deliver that? At work. Easy one. Volunteer to give a presentation. Instead of a meeting, ask your meeting leader, might be your manager or whoever, can I deliver a little presentation as well? They usually say yes. You can deliver to groups that you're part of. And especially you want to join 1 or 2 or 3 Toastmaster clubs where every single week you can deliver a new speech or presentation. And very, very critical, you want to record all your presentations if possible. At work, sometimes I know it doesn't work, but in all these other places, you should be able to do it. So you want to video record yourself with your phone, make somebody do it, bring a tripod, whatever you need. All right. And then after that, you want to review your presentations, ask yourself 2 questions every single time. Number 1, what did I do well? Okay, in the beginning you might, oh my God, I look horrible, I'm terrible, I see myself on camera. Everybody feels that way. Okay, that's okay. Write down, what did you do well? Sit down and literally write it out. And then secondly, what can you improve? What can you improve? At the beginning, you will make more mistakes. That is okay. Everybody does it. The key is to follow this process. Every week, 2 to 3, and you're gonna see yourself get better and better and better. Number 2, you wanna start and get used to building talks like a pro designer. What does that mean? Besides the presentations you deliver, and by the way, and this is connected to that, you gotta every week create 2 new slide decks. 2 new slide decks, all right? Again, they can be work related for your groups, whatever it might be. Many times if it's related to your job, your career, it's often even better, all right? But you make the decision, but 2 every single week. And they can be short ones. They can be for like 5-minute presentations. The key here is really to learn the skills of how do pro designers, slide designers actually work, right? And it's usually very simple. You want to keep it simple and to the point. I'm going to leave another video up here, where I give a couple of tips and walk you through how you can create great, stunning slides, even for a regular person. Number 3, the other thing you really want to focus on throughout these 30 days is to find your own unique style. Everybody has their own unique presentation style, so do you. So you want to look at and discover, like, how can you have better vocal variety? Your style, okay? Better body language, your style. What hooks can you have to draw in the audience, all right? What mini stories can you share that the audience might love? And also, how can you get the audience to participate in your presentation? And everybody's got their unique style, but these are skills that you want to develop throughout and find out what is your way to using and applying them. Number 4, you want to obsess over feedback, but the right kind. Not the put you down kind, but the right kind. So great thing about Toastmasters is after every speech you deliver, there's an evaluator who gives you some feedback. That is fantastic. Now, just so you know, Toastmasters, sometimes it's a little bit sugar-coated feedback, depending on the person. They only praise you for everything, all right? And so what you want to do, you want to talk one-on-one after the meeting is over. Talk with the person one-on-one 1 more time. Work presentation, same thing. Pick somebody who you know wants to support you and do better, who knows about your goal maybe, talk to them one-on-one. At work, same thing. Talk one-on-one. And when you talk one-on-one, you want to ask them 2 questions that I mentioned to you earlier. What did I do well? And what can I improve? All right? And just have an open ear. Just listen to them. And by the way, the good criticism is really things that focus on the skills. Even if there are many things you should improve maybe, but they're very, very specific. Not stuff like, you suck, That's horrible, okay? No, but your body language was not that great yet. You didn't gesture much, right? The slides are too data overloaded, whatever it might be. These are things you can fix. So ask for feedback, become obsessed with feedback, and then apply what you learn. Number 5, you want to pressure test yourself and perform cold. And this is usually for the last week of this 30-day challenge, how to become a greater presenter, but you want to kind of perform cold. You want to take on challenging topics that at the beginning you didn't even dare to talk about, okay? Challenging topics. And the way you want to do it, and that's what I recommend you do, it depends how challenging the topic is, but in general, you have option 1, you can present without slides and just use a whiteboard. And maybe give yourself like a preparation time of like 30 minutes about the topic before the speech or presentation. That's it, 30 minutes. Or if you're going to create slides, give yourself a challenge. You have 1 hour before the presentation to create the entire slide deck and then deliver it. So it's not 100% cold, it's not 100% impromptu, but it's a great challenge, So practice presenting cold suddenly, what if a topic suddenly comes up? Because at work they sometimes actually do. Okay, comment down below one time, what was your biggest takeaway? What are you gonna do? When will you start your 30-day challenge? Don't wait. You watch the video, Give yourself maybe 1 or 2 or 3 days for setup. Check out Toastmaster Club. Contact them, sign up, become a member, and then go for it, okay? Go for the 30-day challenge and you will become a great presenter. So share your lessons down below. If you haven't done it yet, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.